Mrs. Mihira, your husband Mr. Paul, has sustained a mild concussion. It's important to monitor him closely for any worsening symptoms.
I'm so worried, doctor. What kind of symptoms should I look out for?
Initially, he might experience headaches, dizziness, nausea, or vomiting. He may also feel confused or have difficulty concentrating. It's essential to avoid strenuous activities, driving, or consuming alcohol until he's fully recovered.
How long will it take for him to recover?
Mihira, recovery time varies from person to person. It could take a few days to a couple of weeks. We'll schedule a follow-up appointment to assess his progress. In the meantime, ensure he gets plenty of rest, maintains a balanced diet, and avoids exposure to bright lights and loud noises.
Will he have any long-term effects from this?
Most people recover fully from a mild concussion. However, in some cases, symptoms can persist. We'll monitor his condition closely and provide appropriate treatment if needed. Mihira, it's completely normal to wonder what happens if something unexpected comes up during your preoperative checks. So, if any issues are identified during your assessment, for instance, if a blood test shows something we need to look into further, please know that we'll always take the necessary steps to ensure your well-being. This might mean arranging specialist consultations for you to see another doctor, or perhaps scheduling additional tests to get a clearer picture. We might also need to make some medication adjustments if you're currently taking anything that could affect your surgery. I also want to be transparent with you that, in certain situations, for your safety, there is a possibility of delaying the surgery. This decision is never made lightly and is always with your best interest and safety as the absolute top priority. Our goal is to make sure you are in the best possible condition before we proceed. We'll always discuss everything with you openly and ensure you understand any next steps. This is always done with your best interest and safety as the top priority. How do you feel about proceeding with this assessment and the planned surgery, now that we've discussed everything? Are you comfortable with us moving forward?